Hi YouTube, I'm Sriraj. Welcome back to another video tutorial. In this tutorial, we're gonna see how to insert SIM cards in the Infocus Vision 3 smartphone. And here we go. Here is my brand new Infocus Vision 3 smartphone which I got from Amazon.in. This is a dual SIM smartphone and it supports dual nano SIMs. So I'm gonna show you how to insert the dual SIMs in this smartphone. So first I am turning off the smartphone. Now taking out the SIM ejection pin from the box accessories. Insert the SIM ejection pin into the hole at the right side of your smartphone. Just press the pin and the dual SIM tray will come out. Here is the dual SIM tray of the Infocus Vision 3 smartphone. At the back of your smartphone you can find an image regarding how to insert properly the SIM cards and the memory card. You can refer the image for confirming you have properly placed the SIM cards into the tray. Next is to put the SIM card 1 and SIM card 2 into this tray and insert the tray back into the smartphone. I have safely placed the SIM card 1 and the SIM card 2 into the SIM tray and now inserting it back into the smartphone. The SIM card insertion is completed. Next is to check whether the SIM card is properly working or not. Turning on the smartphone now. Now opening the settings menu to open the SIM configuration. Bingo! Our SIM card insertion is very successful. You can see the SIM 1, Cell 1, the BSNL and the SIM 2 Vodafone in. This is how to insert SIM cards on the Infocus Vision 3 smartphone. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked the video, hit the like button and share the video. For more future videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is Sriraj signing off. Thank you.